Recently, I scrolled online looking for some of the best AI tools and came across a software called MidJourney AI. If you've never heard of MidJourney, basically it's an AI program that lets you create images from textual descriptions. MidJourney works off Discord servers and based off the prompts you type will determine the output of your images. And in this video, I will be showing you how to get the best results when using MidJourney AI. To get started, what you want to do is go to midjourney.com and click on join beta, and after that create a username. Next, you should be brought inside a Discord server, and this is where the magic happens. Go ahead and click on the MidJourney icon on the left hand side and scroll down to a newbie chat room. In order to start interacting with the AI, you must first claim your account, which is done by simply verifying your email address. To start, in the text field, type a backslash and the word imagine to open up the prompt menu, and go ahead and type whatever you're thinking of. For this example, I'm going to do a 4K image of an ancient Greek god in outer space. It can take anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes for your image to render based off the complexity of the prompt that you typed. But after it's done, you can find your image with an orange glow around it. And as you can see, once the images are done rendering, it is formed in a collage. And for example, let's say I like the first image the most. What I would do is click on U1 and scroll to the bottom of the Discord chat and wait until that image render on its own. Also, let's say I like the third image, but I would like to see more variations of it. What I would want to do is click on V3, and after waiting, the AI would make a totally different collage based off that specific image. After you look through all the images and you found the one that you like the most, open that image up in a new tab and just save it to your PC. And let's say you want to go back to your images that you already created, but you don't feel like scrolling through the entire Discord. What you can do is just go to your profile and all of your images should be saved there. MidJourney is an amazing AI that you can use for personal and business needs. If you made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, because in future videos, I'll be showing you how you can make profit from this tool.